Hello students, today I am going to take up the exercises of second chapter of science for class 5 human skeletal system. In this I am going to take up multiple choice questions, fill ups, take the correct option, true false, and as well as the question answer. So all the exercise part is to be included in this video. The concept of this chapter has already been explained in the previous video. You can check the description box for finding the link of the video which is having the concept of this chapter. Fine. So let's start. So first thing that we are going to include in this, tick the correct answer. Hip and shoulder joints are the examples of hip hinge joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint. So this is the correct option, ball and socket joint. Muscles are attached to bones by strong fibers called tendons. Tendons are the strong fibers which connect the muscles and bones. Movement of human body are produced by contraction and relaxation of joints. No. Nerves, no, it is also wrong. Bones, no. Muscles, so muscles are going to contract and relax for the movement of our body. Another name of backbone, backbone का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Vertebral column. A place where two or more bones meet is called as joint. Joint मतलब जहाँ दो चीज़ें join हो रही हों. Fine, so joint is a place where two or more bones are joining. Next is fill in the blanks with correct word. The dash covers the cover and protect the brain. Skull, skull मतलब खोपड़ी जो हमारी brain को protect करती है. The dash protect the spinal cord. Spinal cord को कौन protect करता है? Vertebrae. Bones are held together by strong tissues called ligaments. The dash joint allows the movement of head from side to side. The name of the joint is pivot joint. So pivot joint is there in the neck, and ball and socket joint is there in the hip and shoulder. We have three kinds of muscles in our body. So we have three kinds of muscles in our body. Then comes name the following. The joint in knee and elbow. Knee और elbow में कौन सा joint होता है? Hinge joint. The largest thigh bone is called as femur. The muscle in our heart. Heart का जो muscle है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Cardiac muscle. The tissue by which bones are held together are ligaments. So ligaments are the tissues that hold the bones and together. More true false. Good posture keeps our bones, joints and muscles strong. True. Vitamin C is synthesized in our body in the process of sunlight. Yes. No. False. It is vitamin D. Vitamin D मिलता है हमें sunlight से. So it is false. Milk is rich in iron and vitamin D. False. Milk is having the calcium. Running and stretching exercise are bad for our health. This is also false. They are good for our health. Outdoor games are good to maintain fitness of our body. This is also true. Fine. So we should play games for keeping our body healthy, fit. We cannot move our bones without muscles. These are the give reasons. You will have to give reasons for this. We cannot move our bones without muscles. Muscles के बिना हम अपनी bones को क्यों move नहीं कर सकते? Because it helps to pull a bone. Bone को pull करने के लिए muscles की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. The rib bones are curved and form a cage like structure. उनका cage like structure क्यों होता है? Because to give protection to our heart and lungs. जो rib cage है वो दो चीज़ों को protect करती है, heart and lungs, so that they will not get any kind of injury. We should always sit and stand straight and walk upright to stay healthy and look smart. We should, in order to stay healthy and look smart, we will have to walk straight and stand and sit straight. Then we have to name these joints. So this is the knee joint, which is hinge joint. This is hand, In this, these joints are gliding joints. This is ball and socket joint, and this is pivot joint, which is there in the neck. Now let's take up the question answers of the same chapter. First question is, what are the functions of skeletal? Fine. So what are the different function of skeleton? So the function of skeleton are, it gives shape and support to our body. हमारी body को shape और support देता है. It protects the internal organs such as brain, hearts, lung. Brain, heart, lungs जैसे internal organ को protect करता है. It helps in movement of different body parts. Different body parts को जब हमें move करना है उसके लिए भी skeleton जो है that helps us. Basically it gives a shape, protection and movement of our body. Fine, to our body it gives. The next thing in this is, what is a joint? Write 3 examples of movable joints in our body. The place where 2 or more bones meet is called joint. जहाँ पर 2 और 2 से ज़्यादा bones आपस में मिलती है वो point को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Joint. 3 example of movable joints are ball and socket joint, gliding joint and hinge joint. Fine. So we have 3 kind of joints: ball and socket, fine, gliding joint and hinge joint. Now next thing is, how do the muscle work? Write the differences between voluntary and involuntary muscles. 2 muscles are required to move a bone in one direction. When we raise our arm, the bicep muscles contract and pulls up the arm. When we lower down our arm, tricep muscles contract and bicep relax. So we need 2 kind of muscles for movement of our bone. One is bicep muscle और tricep muscles. जब हम अपनी हाथ को, आर्म को ऊपर उठाते हैं तो bicep जो muscles है वो contract होती है. फाइन. जो ऊपर वाली आपके बाजू के ऊपर वाली मसल है वो कंट्रैक्ट होती है. एंड जो पुल्स अप द आर्म, व्हेन वी लोअर डाउन द आर्म, जब हम अपने आर्म को नीचे करते हैं, देन ट्राइसेप मसल कंट्रैक्ट. फाइन. सो वी नीड 2 kind of muscles for the movement of our arm. The next thing in this is voluntary muscle and involuntary muscle. They are called skeletal muscles as they are attached to skeletal. Skeletal muscle जो है वो इनका जो voluntary muscles है, they are also called as skeletal muscles. They are under our control. Fine, ये हमारे कंट्रोल में होती है. They are present in arms, hand and legs. जो आर्म्स, हैंड और लेग्स में होती हैं. सो दे आर वॉलेंट्री, जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है. इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एज स्मूथ मसल्स. दे आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल, हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होती हैं. एंड लाइक स्टमक मसल्स आर नॉट इन आवर. कार्डिक मसल्स है, हार्ट अपने आप ही पंप होता है. द कंट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ हार्ट टेक प्लेस बाय इट सेल्फ. हम अपने आप उसको कुछ नहीं करते हैं. व्हेन यू इनहेल और एक्सेल, आपका जो स्टमक है वो खुद अंदर या बाहर होता है, उसके लिए आपको कोई फोर्स नहीं लगानी पड़ती. फाइन. सो दीज आर इनवॉलेंट्री. फाइन. वॉलेंट्री जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है, लाइक आई एम मूविंग माई हैंड और आर्म और लेग, दीज आर द वॉलेंट्री मसल्स. नेक्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट इज पोस्चर? लिस्ट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गुड पोस्चर and exercises. अब posture क्या है? Posture is the position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. हम जब बैठते हैं, उठते हैं, चलते हैं, तब हमारी बॉडी की पोजीशन कैसी होती है? That is called as posture. A good posture keeps our body in proper shape. एक प्रॉपर शेप में एक गुड पोस्चर रखता है हमारी बॉडी को. इट हेल्प्स अस टू स्टे हेल्दी एंड मेक्स अस लुक स्मार्ट. फाइन. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेज. रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज हेल्प अस टू कीप आवर मसल्स इन गुड टोन. हमारी जो मसल्स हैं वो हेल्दी रहती हैं. एक्सरसाइज हैज़ अ बेनिफिशियल इफेक्ट ऑन द वे फैट्स एंड द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर यूज्ड बाय आवर बॉडी. So exercises, if you are eating lots of fats and carbohydrates and not exercising, in that case you'll not be well. So in order to consume everything, you need to exercise. Exercise also help us द नर्वस सिस्टम बाय सप्लाइंग द एक्स्ट्रा ब्लड टू द ब्रेन. जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं सो ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन, ज़्यादा ब्लड हमारे जो ब्रेन में, हार्ट में, सब जगह फ्लो करता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें फुल न्यूट्रिशन मिलता है. फाइन. So that was all about the exercises of chapter 2. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel.